Hi viewers, welcome to the Learn Awadhi language YouTube channel. We have created this YouTube channel in order to revive or in order to keep the heritage of the Awadhi language alive. I myself will belong to the Awadhi region, and what I have observed is that in last few years people have the people of the Awadh region have started to talk to each other in Hindi language. I don't find it a problem, but the only thing is that eventually I see that after 10 years, 10 years down the line, the people of this region, the Awadh region, they will kind of make this language non-existent because right now in the urban parts of the Awadhi districts, the people mostly talk to each other in Hindi. It is only the small villages where people still talk in the Awadhi language. Now, if we don't try to, protect this language, because there are so many languages which are in the scheduled segment of our constitution. So these languages are protected by the government, but Awadhi is a language which is not yet gone in the scheduled segment. So this language needs to be protected by the people themselves. Government is not going to come and rescue this language. So what I will do, I will first create a few lessons with the basic words which people use in their day-to-day conversations of the Awadhi language, and then gradually we will start making some basic sentences, and then we will start making complex sentences. So this is the way we will master this language, the Awadhi language. So today's lesson will start with some basic words. So let's begin. So these are some basic words which are commonly used in the Awadhi language. We'll start with greeting someone. That is hello. You can, if you want to say hello to someone, you can just say namaste or namaskar, or you can just say Ram Ram or Jai Ram Ji ki. So everything works, not a problem. If you want to say I'm going, goodbye, you have to say Hum jat ahi. Hum is me or I. Jat ahi. Hum jat ahi. I'm going. Namaste. I'm going. Goodbye. If you want to thank someone, you can just say धन्यवाद or धन्यवाद. If you want to say yes, you have to just say ha. It's similar to Hindi. If you want to say no, if you want to say no to someone, you have to just say nahi. It's not nahi. It is nahi. If you want to talk to someone whom you do not know, suppose you want to ask someone that, excuse me, where is the bus stand? You can just say, hey bhaiya, bus stand kahan ba? Or hey bahini, bus stand kahan ba? Right? So for ladies, you can just say hey bahini, and for gents, you can just say hey bhaiya. Sorry is maafi or maafi. Okay is ठीक है or ठीक बा. Madad is to help. Water is pani. To come and to go is awa and ja. To drink is pi or pia. To lay down, you can just say pahudja. So pahudna is the verb. Get up is utha or uthija. Sit down is baitha or baithija. To take shower is nahaye liya or nahawa. To run is daudi liya or dauda. To walk is chala or chali. Near and far are called as nagiche and duri. Eyes is najariya or आँखी. Throat is gatai. Armpit is kakhri. Hand is Hathava. Chest is similar as Hindi, Chhati. Stomach is Pet. Thighs is Janghiya. Legs is God. Fingers is Anguri or Anguria. Nails is Nah. So these were some basic words of Awadhi language. I've just taught you 30 words of Awadhi language. In the coming lessons, we will learn more such words and then basic sentences, then complex sentences, and this is how we will master this language. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.